Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's chicken and corn quesadillas cooked in the Kmart Family Pie Maker. These are so simple to do using all of your leftovers and it tastes amazing. Great with a beer or a nice cold drink, maybe a tequila or something. Okay, what we have, and it's not even switched on, is the Kmart Family Pie Maker, okay? I've got a piece of baking paper that I've folded in half and I press it into shape with the little mold thing that comes with it, okay? That's going to make it a little easier to fit in when we load our wraps or our tortillas. Now this is just a wrap that you buy from Woolworths, okay? And we are going to layer all of our food in it and then close it up like so when it's loaded and press it in with our little mold. Now the reason that we're doing that is to make sure it completely goes into place, and then even though it heats on the top, we are going to flip it over and cook the other side again. Press it in with that little mold that comes with the pie maker. So having put that aside, we're going to grab some salsa, some corn, some mild chilies, spring onions and some chicken. I'm going to put all that chicken in there because it's the last of a barbecue chicken and I want to use it up. Okay, we're going to mix that all around until it's well combined. The cheese is going to be put on the top and on the bottom, and that's going to seal the quesadilla to accept this filling. So let's take it out, sprinkle some cheese onto this side. Alright, we're going to be serving with some sour cream and some parsley and some chopped up tomato. Make sure it's all pretty well contained. Load our quesadilla. Now this is like super full just because I want to use these ingredients up. So you don't need to fill it this much. If you're on a bit of a budget, be a bit more sparing with it, but it tastes great, so go for it. Now you've got a bit of spice in there, you've got some corn. Rest of our cheese goes on top now. Our other wrap goes on top like so. Following me so far? Press that, oh, get that cheese back in there you. We needed to sort of cement the edges, okay? Put that in there. That is going to be a little bit big for a pie maker, but once you press it down, it'll make it sort of like a Mexican pie, if you like. Pop that there like so. Alright, get your mold and just make sure it's lined up properly, okay? And just push it in. See that? We just press it in like so. It'll get really crispy on the bottom. When we turn it over, those edges might break. Don't worry too much about that because we're going to be able to lift it out and turn it over quite easily. The paper's like an envelope, so make sure it's folded and the folder's at the back. And we're going to give it about 5 to 7 minutes each side. Okay, after 5 minutes, this is what you should have. You can see it's got a little bit crispy on the bottom. We're going to just flip that over now and press it in with our little mold. Don't leave that on there because it's only plastic, you don't want it to melt. But we just take it out. Okay. Turn it over like so, line it up like we did before, okay, and then press it in. And there's not going to be any washing up, you just take it out and serve it on the paper if you want to, and close the lid. Another 5 to 7 minutes until it's nice and crispy. Okay, to serve up our little pie maker quesadillas, we've got some vegetable salt here, about 1/4 teaspoon there, some freshly cracked pepper, some capsicum, chilies, parsley, tomatoes, diced onion, a squirt of our limes off our tree, little splash of extra virgin olive oil, and just stir that all around. You could put avocado in here, you could serve it with guacamole if you like, coriander, anything really. Some fire roasted peppers would be nice in there, or maybe some eggplant. Okay, we've got some sour cream and some more of our salsa there. After another 7 minutes, salsa's made. That's made. This is what a little quesadilla looks like. Take it out, tip it upside down. It'll be crispier on the bottom. Over we go. Okay, look at that. Slide it off the paper or leave it on there, whatever you want. And turn the pie maker off. Look at that, spotlessly clean. Just give it a little wipe and that's all you need to do. And we're just going to cut this. Hear how crispy that is? Now, this is far too hot to pick up right now, but I can tell you it smells pretty amazing. It's a great meal for 1 or 2 people, or maybe an entree, and it tastes divine. I'll try and show you what it looks like inside. I told you it looked lots, didn't I? Ow, ow, ow. There you have it. Cheekyricho Cooking's chicken and corn quesadillas cooked in the Kmart Family Pie Maker. Thanks for watching. Okay, I've let that settle down a little bit now. It's really still quite very hot. The cheese is really quite melted. Crispy all around. We're going to give it some sour cream, some salsa, and some fresh salad. It's so hot. Hear that crunch? Leftover barbecue chicken never tasted so good. Yummo. Thanks for watching.